When I create my own video, I put the password somewhere right in the video and I make it very clear for my students. So you'll need the following password for the 1.5 quiz, phone, for example. So they need that password. So when you create the video, you put it in there clearly. I would recommend putting it in different spots each time, whatever password you decide to use, so they don't get used to it being, oh, it's the last slide every time. Also, I do the same thing. I have a chemistry textbook I've created and I put it clearly in the chemistry textbook so they can't miss it. So if they watch a video or they read my textbook for that lesson, there it is, ready to go. And the first time you do this, even the second time, you'll get about 4 to 5 emails or phone calls asking you, hey, where's the password? And then you just direct them to the video or the lesson that you have them completing. And then you know, hey, now they know. Next, so let's say you create this video like I'm doing now, and you have the password right in there, phone, for the quiz. Well, here's your Google form. What you want to do is you want to add a video. So this little play here. And I go to your URL, and I like to automatically have my video ready to go. And I click select. And for this, I like to center my videos. If you don't use YouTube or you don't upload it using YouTube, what I do is I do use Screencast-O-Matic. I save it, upload it to my YouTube account for my students, and then it's right in the YouTube video or right in the Google form, which I love. But let's say you don't have that, you just have a different link, maybe it's a different website you're using, you can just copy the link right into your document. Then what I do is I hit plus and I add a question. So I say, what is the passphrase or code or whatever phrase you want to use? What is the passphrase from the video? Short answer, and then I click these 3 little dots that look like a snowman, and I do response validation, and it is a text. It contains, and in this case, let's say the password was phone, custom error text. So if they don't insert phone, then you know they didn't watch the video. You want to put something like, hey, make sure you watch the video to find the passcode. So we come up here, I'm going to preview this, so it's nothing fancy. Insert that so they can click on the link or go to the video, and let's say they put in cat and submit. Well, hey, they need to make sure they watch the video. So they find out it's phone, hit submit, and there you go. And if the capitalization is causing you issues just like it did there, what you want to do is, I like to trick it. I'll put HONE, and that way, whether they use uppercase or lowercase, the odds are they're going to get it right. So here, even if I use lowercase this time, it's going to work. So just a little tidbit that tends to cause issues for creating these videos.